If you're helping a loved one downsize, handling an estate, or just overwhelmed with stuff, you've probably asked this question: should we do an estate sale or just sell the home the traditional way? The wrong choice can cost you time, money, and a lot of stress. So let's break this down simply. I'm Jason Gelios, Senior Real Estate Specialist in Michigan, and I help people navigate these major life transitions all the time. And today I'm going to walk you through the pros and cons of estate sales versus traditional home sales and help you decide which is right for you. So an estate sale in definition is when you sell most or all of the contents inside a home. Now, estate sales attract a lot of people, right? A lot of people love going to these versus like a garage sale, okay? Think furniture, antiques, collectibles, everyday items. Everything gets priced and sold either on your own or with a company that does estate sales, and it's typically held over the weekend, okay? So this is common when a loved one has passed, someone is moving into assisted living, which I've seen, or a home needs to be cleared out quickly. So some pros of an estate sale, okay? There's pros and cons. The pros are convenience, right? You don't have to sort through everything yourself. You get a fast clean out, okay? In just a few days, the home can be ready to sell and mostly emptied. And three, some extra cash, right? You can actually recover value from some items, probably not full value, but you might otherwise throw away or donate those items. So why not try to get some value from them, some money from them? So we went over the pros. Here's some of the cons. Now, all right, here's the part that people don't always think about is you get a lower return on items. Like I mentioned, you may not get full value for things, but they sell and you get something, okay? Because most things at an estate sale sell for a fraction of the value. The second one is fees. Now, estate sale companies typically take a percentage of the sales that are made. And then three, not everything sells, right? You may still be left with items to remove. It just depends on what items you have in your home, or in the home, I should say, okay? Now, a traditional home sale. A traditional sale focuses on selling the home itself, usually after decluttering, cleaning, and possibly home staging. The goal is simple, right? Make the home as appealing as possible to potential buyers. Some of the pros of a traditional sale is a clean, decluttered home typically sells faster and for more money. We know this. The next one is, better buyer experience. Buyers can actually see the space and not all this stuff cluttered in the basement or garage or home, living room, all those areas, okay? And you have more control with a traditional home sale. So you decide what stays, what goes, and how the home is presented. So some cons of a traditional home sale, there's a few of them, okay? There's more upfront effort because you have to declutter, which takes time and energy. In some cases, it could take months. Two, emotional difficulties. So letting go of belongings can be tough. We know this with seniors. They've been in a home for, decades, all right? They have a lot of memories. And then three, possible costs. So you might have to pay for junk removal, someone to come in and clean the home, or minor updates may be needed to make the home sale ready, okay? So which one's better, estate sale or a traditional home sale? Here's the honest answer. So you should choose an estate sale if the home is packed with contents, you need a fast clean out, and you don't have the time or ability to sort through everything. Choose a traditional sale if you want to maximize the home's value. You can clear and prepare the home properly, right? If you have time to declutter the home, and you're focused on the bigger financial picture. If you go with the traditional sale route, you could actually get more money, I would say, as long as you are still decluttering. So what's the best case scenario? Do both, right? Have an estate sale first, then sell the home clean and ready for the market. That's often where you get the best overall result. If you're not sure which route makes the most sense for your situation, that's completely normal, okay? Every home, every family is different. So I appreciate you watching this episode. I will see you guys on the next one.